This meeting is being recorded by the host or a participant.
Go ahead and tab to Got It button. Tab to Got It button.
The account owner can also watch this recording
Tab
with
again.
the account owner link.
Again.
Got It button.
Perfect. Spacebar. Excellent.
Cap document 1-cap word. Edit.
Okay, and read from your Braille display. Isn't that gorgeous? Please read that to me.
10 plus 5 equals 15.
Excellent. Okay, end of page 456 space, please.
Bottom of file 1.
Excellent.
Period.
Enter,
Content
please.
10 plus 5 equals 15. Enter.
Number 2, please. 2 period.
2. Period.
Space.
Space.
Okay, 3, 7, 4, 6, and space to go to our new Braille math editor.
Braille
Excellent.
math editor. Equation edit. Type in the math expression. Period. Press insert plus F1 for more help. Period.
Please give me 20 plus 5, and then equals, and then tell me what it
Dots
equals.
2, 3.
Yep.
Dots 3, 5,
Yep.
6. Dots 3, 4, 6.
Yep.
Dots 2, 6.
Yep.
Space.
Good. Equals?
Dots
No,
1,
no,
2,
no,
3,
no.
4, 5,
4,
6.
6, 1, 3.
Dots 1, 2, 3, 4.
We're doing
Dots
true
4,
Nemeth.
dots 1, 3.
Space bar.
Space.
What is 20 plus 5?
Dots 2, 3. Dots 2, 6. Space.
Woo! Okay, enter, please.
Microsoft Word document.
Now-
Microsoft Word document.
I want you to notice how there's number signs before each number. Well, not each number. Number sign 20 plus 5, and then you have an equals, and then you have a number sign 25. So the math editor puts the number signs in there to remind you this is perfect math. Okay?
And I was your guest.
You are such a smarty. End of page, please. 456 space.
Bottom of file. 2
Enter.
period. Content 20 plus 5. Enter.
3 period, please.
3.
I was your
Period.
guest.
Beautiful.
1.50
Oh,
enter.
no tabbing. Backspace, please.
Tab.
Please just do a space. Just a space.
Space.
Okay. What's the command to go into the Braille math editor?
Braille math editor.
Woo!
Equation edit. Type in the math
Nice.
expression. Period. Press insert plus F1 for more help. Period.
Okay. This time I want 30 plus 6. 30 plus 6, please.
Dots 2, 5.
Good.
Dots 3, 5, 6.
Yep.
Dots 3, 4, 6.
Good.
Dots 2, 3, 5.
Good. Make sure you do a space.
Space.
Use the proper
Dots 4,
Nemeth.
6. Dots 1,
Excellent.
3.
Space.
Space.
Okay. What is 30 plus 6?
Dots 2, 5. Dots 2, 3, 5.
Woo!
Space.
Enter. Girl, you rock.
Microsoft Word document. Microsoft Word document.
Please read that to me.
30 plus 6 equals 36.
Good. I want you to read that with your right hand, please, now. Your right hand needs just as much practice. Yep.
30 plus 6 equals 36.
Thank you. End of page.
I was your guest.
Yes. 456 space, please.
What did I say?
Bottom of file.
Excellent.
3 period. Math content 30 plus 6 equals
I
36.
actually, I'm a guest in remote, so I'm not really a true guest in your house today. I'll do that on Friday. Enter, please.
Enter.
4 period, please.
4 period. Space.
Beautiful. Go into your Braille math editor. Got that command down?
Braille
Woo!
math editor. Equation edit.
Okay.
Type in the math expression. Period. Press insert plus F1 for more help. Period.
40 plus 7, please. 40
Dots 2,
plus
5,
7.
6.
Good.
Dots 3, 5, 6.
Make sure you do space. Oh, no, sorry.
3,
No
4,
space.
6.
Good girl. Don't listen to me. Keep going.
Dots
6.
2, 3, 5, 6.
Oh, 7. That's right. I'm not paying attention to my own
Space.
directions. Good. Okay.
Dots 1, 3.
Nice.
Space.
Nice.
Dots 2, 5, 6. Dots 2, 3, 5, 6.
Beautiful. And enter.
Space. Microsoft Word document.
Okay.
Microsoft Word
Please
document.
read it with your right hand first. Read it with your right hand first. Please read the math problem.
40 plus 7 equals 47.
Okay. And read it with your left hand now, please.
40 plus 7 equals 47.
Excellent. Okay, we have time for one more. 456 space. There you go, and enter.
Enter.
Number 5 period.
5. Period. Space.
Great. 50 plus 8. 50 plus 8.
Braille Math Editor. Equation edit. Type in a math expression. Period.
Ah.
Press insert plus F1 for more help. Period.
50 plus 8.
Dots 26. Dots 356. Dots 346. Dots 236. Space.
Nice.
Dots 1 2 3 4
No, no, no,
5
no,
6.
no.
Dots 1 2. Dots
Good.
4. Dots 1 3.
Excellent. Okay.
Space.
What is
Dots
50
2
plus
6.
8? Good.
Dots 2 3 6.
And enter.
Space. Microsoft Word document.
Please read it to
Microsoft
me.
Word document. Document 1.
50 plus 8 equals 58.
Phenomenal. Excellent job. I will see you later.